Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna go over in-depth full review about this solar power. This one has three of this USB charging port, and then you got the wireless charging right here, and also come with like a 28 LED light bulb right here. And this is the solar panel. So as you can see, when I press the power button, it shows the battery level. And then there are four the LED. It shows 25%, 55, 75, and then 100%. And then the one on the left hand side, this one is for the solar. Once when you bring this unit out for camping or whatever outdoor sports activity that you have, picnic or whatever, when you put this under the sun, and then this LED will lit up green. That means your battery pack or the power bank is being charged with the solar panel. Okay. So let me see if I can try to shine the light. Normally you guys shine it at the right there. Okay. So imagine this is the sunlight, and then now you see the LED showing green. So when you have a bright sunlight shining at this solar panel, it's going to turn into green. But the problem with this solar panel is only has a 300 milliamp. So it's going to take up to probably, it says about 80 hours or something to completely charge this unit. So that's like, wow, more than 3 days. So I wouldn't trust the solar unless it is for emergency use only. So, and here is the power button right here. Once you tap one time, it shows the status of your power bank, your battery level. If you rapid press 2 times, it turns on those bright LEDs. So as you can see, 12, 13, 14, 14 times 2, which is both sides, that's 28 LED. And if you press one more time on the power button, it changes to medium brightness. And if you push one more time, it changes to the lowest. So imagine if you double tap it and then turn it off. Once you double tap and turn it back on, it will not start from the brightest. You will have a memorization of whatever the last mode that you were in. So this is the lowest mode that it was last turned off. And then if I press one time, so this is the brightest now again, okay? And then you gotta go through those cycle. So let's go ahead and test this unit out for the wireless charging. This is my wife's iPhone XS Max. So for the wireless charging, you had to press the power, press one time, and then let your phone sit on top. And as you can see, it shows the lightning bolt next to the battery icon. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, if you turn on the lights, your phone or your device that is connecting to those 3 USB outlets would not charge. So let's see if I activate the LED. So as you can see, the battery icon with the lightning bolt disappear. That means it's not charging anymore. And once you turn the light off, you need to press the power again to activate the wireless charging. So I'm pretty sure that is for like a safety reason, that would not overheat the battery pack or the power bank. So there are 3 USB ports. Number one, that is the slow charging, which is only 1.0 amp. USB 2 and USB 3, they offer 2.0 amp, which is it's good to charge your tablets, your iPads. Okay. And this unit, you could charge 4 devices at the same time, which is utilize those 3 USB ports and then the wireless charging pad right here. Let's go ahead and test this out real quick. Be sure you have fast charging cables, okay? I was using my one of this cable. I think it offers a slow charger or something, and then I plug in my phone, the LG V10, and all of a sudden my battery keep on dropping instead of charging. So I'm gonna connect this to the USB 1, and I'm gonna charge my Note 4. And press power. All right, so you can see the battery icon right there with a lightning bolt. So be sure to hit the power button. So you'll start charging your unit or your device. And this is a lightning charging cable. I'm gonna plug this one in to charge the iPad mini, connecting to this 2 amp port. All right, so it is charging right now. And then this is the USB Type-C cable. I'm gonna test this on with the new and latest Nokia that I did the unboxing. This is the 2.1A. All right, so that means once I plug in, it shows that means it's charging right now. So right now we're connecting about 3 devices at the same time already, okay? And then the last one, it shows 90% charge. Oops. So the last device I'm going to put it on is this iPhone XS Max, okay? So as you can see, it is charging all 4 devices at the same time. Lightning bolt right there. And then this one, I didn't turn it on, it shows 96%. And the battery is moving up. You could also use this unit to charge your GoPro. Oh, it is recording. So I'm gonna open this the door for the charging port. And then I'm gonna connect this USB Type-C in here. Yeah, so you got a red LED, that means it is charging right now, okay? So I'm pretty surprised that this one you could charge all 4 devices at the same time. 2 port, that's 2.0 amp. And then The other port is for the slow charging, which is 1.0 amp. Plus, you got the wireless charging for your either the Samsung, your Huawei, your LG, your Apple, your Oppo, or whatever phone that's out there. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And if you guys have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.